Traveling to Bali is incomplete without experiencing their spa. Feeling refreshed, renewed, and recharged after a busy day exploring Bali is a must thing to do. Serayu Spa at the Kayon Jungle Resorts offers a luxurious facilities designed for a body, mind, and spirit rejuvenation. It features a collection of luxury treatments room, a dedicated beauty salon, sauna, and jacuzzi for head-to-toe indulgence. A nurturing menu of treatment is based on ancient Balinese healing tradition, together with the use of local botanicals and high-end skincare brands. Well, our exceptional team of trained therapists is on hand to tailor personalized spa experience that will leave you feeling totally refreshed and recharged after a busy day exploring Bali. Well, for the body shanting, started with Dudus Arum, with essence aromatherapy, add sauna and steam, then continue by healing singing bowl as a way to promote relaxation and reduce feelings of anxiety. The jackfruit leaf body scrub will exfoliate your body. It is a very potent anti-aging herb as it slows down the degeneration of skin cells, help to refresh the skin itself and make it look younger. Aloe vera mixed with urang-aring or false daisy become an oil when its botanical extract are mixed with a carrier oil to prevent hair loss, dandruff, and graying. All body cleansing ending with body shower using Yeh Kumkuman or flower aromatherapy water essence. And then lolo or traditional healthy drink and cookies to complete your ultimate ritual body cleansing.
The body setting massage was amazing. I feel so relaxed afterwards, and I would recommend it to everybody. I'm going to tell all my friends to come here. It was so amazing. It was completely amazing. The whole experience was brilliant from start to finish, and I feel so relaxed now. It was a perfect day.